Hello everyone, welcome to Amuda Academy. So in this video we are going to start with a new chapter, that is issue and redemption of debentures. So in this chapter we have two parts. The part one is issue of debentures and another part is redemption of debentures. So for CBSE students only we have issue of debentures. We don't have any redemption of debentures, but still we will cover for state board students. Right. So let us start with the part one issue of debenture. So to know what is debenture, first we need to understand shares and debentures are similar. So a journal entries in the terms of journal entries, not in the terms of concept. Right. So let us say a company issues shares. Right. So if a company issues shares, if you buy, you will get ownership. Correct. You will get ownership. This shares money is called as shareholders fund. Right. So when you buy shares, you will get dividend. But when you buy debentures, you will get interest. It is a kind of, not kind of, it is loan from the public or someone. Loan or borrowed fund. Right. So what is shares? It is shareholders fund. You will get ownership, but when you purchase debentures, you will get interest, and that is debentures are loans and or we can call it as borrowed fund. Right. So debenture is nothing but a document, a written instrument that will consist how much interest the company will pay and when the interest will be paid and for how long they will have your money. These things will be listed in the debentures instrument. That is one document, right? So usually the company will pay interest half yearly or yearly. So this is basic, right? The company will pay interest half yearly or maybe yearly once at a fixed rate of interest and at a fixed date. But in shares, we can't expect dividend to be at a fixed date. Whenever they will give, you need to take it. So that is the case. So you know, understood what is the difference between shares and debentures. So let us understand what on all the topics we are going to cover in issue of debentures. Let us see the topics. Right. So these are the six topics we are going to cover in this chapter right now. Yeah, issue of debentures for cash, the first one, and issue of debentures for consideration other than cash. This topic is also there in issue of shares, and issue of debentures as collateral security, and issue of debentures considering the terms of redemption. This is the most important topic. This topic you'll get in the examination, and also this one. This is the most important, and this is also important. So these two topics are the major point of view in the examination. Right. Let us see fifth one. Interest on debentures and return of discount or loss on issue of debenture. So these are the six topics we are going to cover in this issue of debenture. Let us see the first topic, issue of debenture for cash, which is nothing but similar, same entries, not even similar, same entries like shares. Whatever concepts we have learned in shares, the same concepts, nothing else. So let us see the concept. So issue of debentures can be issued at par, at premium, and at discount also. But in issue of shares, let me write it, shares, we were issuing only at par and premium. So discount will come when the company is reissuing the shares, right? But at the time of issue of debentures, we can issue, or company can issue at par, premium, and also in discount. Par means if face value is 100, the company will issue at 100 rupees only. So if the face value is 100, if the company issues at 120, this is called premium. And the face value is 100, and if the company issued at 90 rupees, this is called discount, right? So these are the topics. Let us see one example and let us understand the journal entries also. So before understanding journal entries, we need to understand modern rules. So these are the modern rules. I have discussed these things in shares also. So if you know the shares chapter, this is very, very, very easy. So nothing in this chapter, right? You will understand very easily, right? So if asset increases, we will debit, and if asset decreases, we will credit. So then liability, if it increases opposite to assets, we will credit it, and if it decreases, we will debit it. If income increases, we will credit. If expenses and losses increase, we will debit. Right. Let us see one example, and we'll solve a question, example question, and we'll understand the journal entries also. So let us see. So the company issued 1,000 debentures at 100 each, just an example. So we'll solve a main question in the next video. So let us see. So on application, people need to pay 30 rupees. On allotment, they need to pay 40 rupees, and first call 30 rupees. So overall 100 rupees they need to pay. So in installment, right? So let us see the journal entries, and also let us see the journal entries of issue of shares. The same entries but name change. That's it. So let us see the journal entries of issue of shares. So see, the same, these are the entries of shares. Let me write it. Shares entries. The same format will come in the debenture also. Let us solve the question and understand how it comes. So first thing, the company issued 1,000 debentures, okay, at 100 each. On application, we need to receive 30 rupees. So if we receive money, our bank account, that is bank account, will increase. Obviously bank account is an asset. If asset increases, what we will do, we will debit. So bank account will get debited. And also our liability will also increase. Why? The people, whoever buying the debentures, are paying us, and we need to give them debentures, debt instruments. It is nothing but debt, sorry, debentures is nothing but kind of loan. Loan is liability, correct? So if liability increases, what we will do? Liability increases, we will credit. So simple thing. Debenture application, money account, you can call it debenture application account also fine. Right. So this is the first entry. So why first entry will come as a bank account? Because we don't know how much applications we will receive. So how much money we are going to receive. After receiving in the bank account only, we will receive the, we will know the actual amount, how much we have received. Then only we can allot the debentures. Right. So now so what is the amount? So 1,000 debentures they have issued, and on application they have to receive 30 rupees, which means 30,000 they need to receive. So 30,000, 30,000 finished. The second entry, we need to transfer the application money to debenture account, right? So we need to transfer it to debenture. If we transfer from this account, application account, this is a temporary account. This is a temporary account. So we will transfer it to long-term account, that is debenture. Let us see. So just reverse application account. Just from this account, we will transfer it to debenture. Debenture account is a liability. If liability increases, we will credit it. Debenture account. So the same 30,000 will go to debenture account. So you can see the first entry is over. So this is the application entry. So this is over. If you compare to the shares entry, the same thing, nothing changes, and the change is only the name. That's it, nothing else. So you can see if we receive application money bank account to equity share application account, this is a temporary account, and from this account we will transfer it to share capital. The same thing we are transferring it to debenture account. There is no change at all. So let us see second entry allotment. The same thing, whatever I have written here, the same thing will be in debenture also. So let us see the first entry for allotment. At the time of allotment, we will first make it due, then we will receive it. First, we will make it due, then we will receive. Why we are doing this? The first time, at the time of application, we don't know how much applications we will receive, how much money we will receive. So that's why the bank account is first. Now we know how much we need to receive from the debenture holder. So we will due it first, then we will receive. So what is the entry for due? The second entry. So why? I'll explain. So debenture application account will get debited. Why it is getting debited? So we are making due, which means due means we need to receive from the debenture holders, which means it is a receivable. So receivable is an asset for us. If receivable increases, obviously asset will increase. If asset increases, obviously the transaction will get debited. So this is not application. We are doing allotment. Debenture allotment account debit. Right. How much? So 40 rupees we need to receive on allotment into 1000 shares. So that is 40,000. Right. Next, we need to transfer it to debenture account. If we transfer it to debenture account, liability obviously increases. So debenture account 40,000. So you need to write it clearly. So my handwriting is very worst. Let me write it clearly. Debenture account. Now we will receive to the bank account. If we receive to the bank account, asset increases, bank account will get debited because asset increasing. Two, debenture allotment account will get credited for 40,000 because liability increasing. Right. So temporary liability is increasing. Now, the third thing we have first call, that is 30,000. So here also allotment also the same entry. I have already explained it. You can re-verify it. And first call also there is no changes. The same thing. So first we will make it due, then we will receive it. Right. So what is the entry for due? The same thing. Debenture first call. First call account will get debited to where we will transfer. We will transfer it to debenture account. So the next entry, if we receive to the bank account, bank will get debited because asset is increasing. And again, debenture first call account will get credited. For how much? 30 rupees we have to receive. So you can check it here. The first call needs to be received rupees 30,000. So 30 rupees. So 30 into 1000, 30,000. The same we will receive. So that's it for the video. We have understood the basics of first topic, issue of debenture for cash. So that's it for the video. In the next video, we will solve a question which has par, premium, and also discount. How we will deal with it. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.